So here we are looking at the user interface with the Insight panel on the right. You see there is a button in the top of the Insight panel, which is split, so I can choose individual Insight agents by clicking on the little down arrow. Or I can just push the entire button in case I want all the Insight agents to use. So the data that we're looking at here is production data from oil wells. So if we look a little bit more on the visualizations we have in the analysis here, you notice that, hey, there is something which doesn't look really right. So we mark that part, and you can see that we also have the option here to actually invoke Insight agents directly from a floating toolbar in the top of the visualization. So here we'll select to use the well production outlier Insight agent and see what it can tell us. So you can see that the agent actually immediately asks us a question whether what kind of data this is. We confirm it's oil well data, and the Insight agent then actually immediately detects here that I do actually have a data table that could be used to explain the reason for the outliers in the visualization that are marked. So the Insight agent actually suggests that I create a relation to another data table, which we'll accept. And that means that the Insight agent now is creating relationships under the hood, and the agent continues analyzing data. It's gathering insights and then comes up with a summary here that it thinks there are underperformance due to high motor temperature, pressure fluctuations, and so on. And we can click on that summary in order to see a much more detailed view of the different insights. So there are much more details in the top overview of well production performance and outlier analysis. Then comes a recommendation here to create a well decline curve, but I'm most interested in the correlated factors that we see here. So high motor temperature, flow line pressure fluctuations, increased pump vibration, and the intake pressure variability. So I'm going to go ahead here and create all of these recommended visualizations. So these parameters are now visualized as box plots, which is showing the difference between the inliers and the outliers in the data. And we can clearly see here that there certainly is a difference in in all these factors between the marked outliers and the inliers. So, but how can we make sure that this is statistically significant? Well, using the new visualization properties panel, we can actually just select those visualizations and then choose to add comparison circles to the visualizations, and that actually shows us that all these comparison circles are non-overlapping, meaning that the finding here is statistically significant. So that's a quick preview of our planned AI Insight agents support integrated in the visualization experience.